What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I got a haircut. It's old to me but new to you. Remember how I told you I was getting a new haircut? But yeah, I got a haircut finally. But anyways, today we're actually going to be putting in the clutch. It's a stage 4 from competition clutch. I'm super excited. I have my buddy Calvin here like always. We're gonna put the clutch in, getting ready for the turbo because I gotta put miles on it, around 300 to 400 miles for the break-in period, and then we can finally have some fun. Not nearly done, but we're close to it.
Well, we almost done.
At least taking it off of the top. There you go. We took out the axle already, which is right here. All right, so all you gotta do to take out your axle is take out this bolt right here that's connected to your fork. Right there, and then unloosen your ball joint right here. It's a simple castle nut, and this should be able to move freely, and then you just pop out your axle. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side while Calvin's up here disconnecting everything from the transmission point of view, and then we're gonna disconnect everything from underneath, and then we should be putting in the new clutch, which is right here, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I got this from Tri-State Motorsport. I'll put the link in the description. This is a 6-puck sprung clutch from Competition Clutch. It actually comes with everything you need: pilot bearing, everything, the alignment tool, the clutch, and I got this for around $400, around there. I don't remember how much it was exactly, but it comes with the pressure plate, and that's about it. But we're finally gonna be holding power, baby.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
And more power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
But yeah, we're finally gonna be getting the car nice and ready to actually be going fast and not be a slowpoke anymore. So we'll be back when we have most of the stuff already done and it's time to pump the clutch.
Clutch. I said clutch.
I said pump and clutch. So we'll be back when everything's like almost off and it's time to pop. When we pop the clutch in, that is when I'll pick up the camera again. So we'll be back. Alright, there's probably no way you're gonna see this, but this is a little castle nut that holds in the ball joint. Just get your little handy dandy. Calvin, are you trying to get me demonetized, buddy? Just take your handy dandy 17 mil. Oh, there's a bug in my eye. And then just Hadouken.
Oh yeah.
And it's out. Just like that. You probably can't see it and it's super blurry, but I'm sorry. There we go. Come on, get out. And finito. And then you want to hammer the crap out of that little like knuckle or bubble right there for it could pop out of place. And then you could take out the axle. Bro, this crap is tiring. You want to see where we're stuck on? We're stuck on this stupid little ball joint not coming out. We've been hammering it so much. This little nipple thing it has on there is going flat. Bro, look, dead number 1. Dead number 2. Bro, these noodle arms can't handle it, man. And gorilla dude over here either.
Tired.
We is tired.
I'm hungry. I mean, I'm not hungry.
You just ate. What do you mean you hungry?
Yeah, that's what made me tired. What's the food?
Bro, I've broken like all my knuckles already.
I'm gonna try to get it.
I'm
Nobody
tired.
Nobody got time for this shit.
Ain't nobody got time for that. All right, literally 2 seconds after ending that clip, he got it. My man just needed a little pep talk. Oh snap! Almost broke my mirror. All right, so we are under the car now. This car is absolutely disgusting underneath. Oh, it's too close for you guys. Oh, bro, there's so many shadows here. But yeah, oil pan.
Shadow Legends. Sponsorship.
No, it's not sponsorship. Hashtag no ad. Yeah, everything is super disgusting under here. This is tranny fluid leaking. It's not oil, just so you could, you know.
Try to sponsor us.
Play free now. Anyways, everything is super dirty under here. Why? I don't know why. So all you gotta do is take off that little bolt from the shift linkage and disassemble the whole thing. Ow, got dirt in my freaking eye. Ah! Bro, always get the right tools for the job. Look how easy that was. My ass would have sat here for 3 hours just wrenching myself to death. But my dad came in clutch because he got tools too. All right, so we actually took out the whole tranny out, and as you can see, the rear main seal was leaking so bad it caked this whole transmission in oil and disgustingness, and it's super hard to come out. So I'm gonna try my best to take out at least a little bit of it and clean it up as best as I can, and then actually get that clutch in. We were actually wrenching in there for a bunch because there's these two little bolts right here and right here that hold a little shield inside the tranny, and we didn't know that was part of the transmission, like that was actually holding it up, but it did. So take out those two little bolts that were from the shield. All right, now my dad wants to freaking start mowing the lawn, and then we got a whole mow company over here, so I don't know how we're gonna be able to hear me, but time to clean it. Oh my God. All right, so we made it this far, guys. The transmission, I'll show you how clean it is now. Only did a little bit of a brake clean job and brought out the big guns, which was the power washer. But always, once you get in here to change your clutch, I recommend, highly recommend, you just change your rear main seal, because that always tends to leak. It's a little seal that goes directly in that hole right around there. It's just a gasket, but it usually leaks. So right now we're just cleaning it real quick, just so we could get a clean application for there's no reason for it to leak. Oh my God, bro. You're gonna blow my brain cells with this. Oh my God.
I deal with this shit. I'm
bro,
used to it.
I'm dying. Oh my goodness. The camera lens is getting dirty. I'll be back, guys. So this is my old flywheel. As you can see, it needed to be changed. It has a lot of like freaking high and low spots everywhere. And this is my old clutch. Super worn out, super duper worn out, but you know, I'm pretty sure this is OEM life. All right, so this is a transmission. I have it covered up because my dad was power washing since I spilled tranny fluid all over the driveway. This is the best I could have gotten. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, this is the best I did with just a little bit of brake cleaner and the power washer. I didn't, you know, go super clean and in depth because Calvin is on a time crunch and he's obviously helping me. And yeah, this is how everything came out. I even cleaned the outside a little bit. Yeah, everything's clean for now, at least until the oil leaks return. JK, no more oil leaks, man. I think the only oil leak I have left, it's gonna be from the oil pan gasket or around that area. Put in first and accelerate a little, like go forward a little bit. Whoa, 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 my man's spinning wheels. Oh my God, bro. On and off switch clutch. All right, put that in neutral, boy. Keep the beast tamed for a little bit.
Well, we're definitely back in the Accord.
Whoa. All right, so I stalled the car already like 4 times. This clutch is so touch and go, man. I mean, it feels good. Like it feels like the engagement point is perfect. It's not hard to push in. Like I don't have a sticky pedal or anything. It's like it sort of feels OEM, just with a little bit more aggressiveness. Yeah, like of an oomph. But bro, I literally can't get out of first. It's like learning to drive all over again. This car, oh my God, a red light, bro.
We about to see
Oh my God.
on video how good your first gear pulled out.
Oh my God. Okay, here goes nothing.
Oh, that was actually pretty good.
Bro, I almost did a burnout. What are you talking about?
Wasn't bad though.
Oh my God.
That second gear change though.
I can't. I'm used to the pedal being like this far away. Alright, so it's the next day. I never officially ended the video, so this is me officially ending the video. Clutch feels perfect, like it feels normal as it should. It's just a little bit harder to push in. Nothing really major. Like I thought it was gonna be like insanely hard to push in, but it's not. It's like super soft. But I keep stalling. So from this clutch, we should just have the turbo kit on. I actually moved an hour away from my parents' house, so videos are gonna be like less frequent for a bit. And also with all this corona stuff, I actually got laid off from my job, which was a temporary position in a company because of school and all that crap. So I wasn't looking for anything 100% permanent, but they unfortunately laid me off. So without having a job, there's no way I could earn any sort of income for parts. So until then, unfortunately, I'm going to try to do my best to do anything content-wise, but the videos are going to be a little bit more spread out, just a little bit. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and if there's anything that you learned today from this video or something that you want to watch or an idea for a new video, leave it down below. All right, catch you guys later. Peace out.